school, we have 2 students who have been found with phones. They have been found with about 5 phones. Fortunately, in this area, we have enough security officers. So the DCI team have already seized of the phones. They are going to process them, and they will then advise us on what they find, because that will determine our next course of action. But as for the students, we'll process them as an irregularity in terms of having phones in school during exams, as we have some officers who are coming to handle that. So we'll not speculate. They will be allowed to sit their exams as normal. In one of the schools, we had a situation where the chemistry teacher who is supposed to lead in the practicals supposedly disappeared yesterday. So we had to get a teacher from the neighboring Maina Wanjigi Secondary School who was taken charge. It's a private school called Newton High School. So the process is going on well there. There's no challenge. There's a teacher who is helping.